Hey friends, happy November. So you know what that means. It's officially Christmas time in my book. I realize that I will probably get some heat from some people who think that Christmas starts the day after Thanksgiving. I understand that. I respect that. I was once one of you. But every year, I just can't fight the glorious feeling of the Yuletide carol? The Yuletide cheer, I don't know. I just really dig it. I really like the magical feeling of the holidays. I love Christmas decorations. I love how happy my kids get. I mean, and I like decorating for it, and I don't know, I just like everything about Christmas. I always had. We were a big Christmas family growing up, so every year I really look forward to it. And since I've been on YouTube, it's kind of given me a reason to, you know, share it with you guys. So last year I started the same exact day, and I'm just gonna keep the tradition going. November 1st, Dollar Tree Christmas haul. So if you guys are like me and you love Christmas decor, but you ain't trying to spend every last dime because obviously you got gifts to give for people, then the Dollar Tree is where it's at. The Dollar Tree has definitely stepped up its game. It comes out, their decorations come out earlier and earlier every year. You don't have to travel like Target's Dollar Spot. Don't get me wrong, I did get some stuff last year from Target's Dollar Spot, but here in Chicago, they do not put anything out until the very last minute. So it was a hunt, and I just got tired of it. This year, I just kind of wanted to keep it minimal, kind of deal with the stuff I got, and just get little things. And I have a couple DIY projects in mind, and I just really wanted to be budget friendly. I did not want to go overboard. I do realize a lot of people spend a lot more on decor, but I decided to really scale it back this year. But the Dollar Tree, if you are like me and you bougie on a budget, baby, then the Dollar Tree is where it's at. So I do have a rather large haul from Dollar Tree. This is going to probably be the only one I do for any type of decor purposes this year. And I do have two little things I found at the thrift store. So I'm going to show them to you. So I got my coffee. I got my coffee right here. I got my decorations. I got my friends. Let me show you what I got. The first thing I'm going to show you is I've already opened the box and I've kind of made my DIY already. Yeah, it's still working. I gotta get a couple things to kind of finish it off, then I'll share it with you guys. But what I got I got these last year too, but I got them in white, are these little, how many feet are these? 18-inch Christmas trees. These are the green ones. I got 2 of these, so I picked those up. And then this year the Dollar Tree had a bunch of these like huge signs. Yeah, and they come on like a little stake or whatever. I am not going, because this is like, you know, like the cheap cardboard. I'm not going to put this outside because it will get eaten up in the Chicago weather. But I'm thinking if it all goes right, I might make a little, I really like those like logs that people put into like little bins and they're like white or whatever. So I think I'm going to go outside and like grab some from the front yard and kind of make them and spray paint them and then add this to it. So yeah, because I did see those branches at like Walmart and stuff, and they're not cheap. So we'll see. Possible DIY coming. I like the little reindeer on it. So my Christmas colors or Christmas pattern, I'm very traditional when it comes to that. I do the traditional like reds and greens and golds and stuff like that. And this year I'm also going to incorporate some buffalo plaid, I think, some of the red and black buffalo print. But when I was at the Dollar Tree, I've been on the hunt for like a table runner, and I had found a couple around like at Marshalls and stuff, but they were really pricey. And I'm just, like I said, I'm really trying to scale back my budget this year because last year I went way too heavy. But when I was at the Dollar Tree, look at these placemats I found. There, you guys see? So they are the red with like the green in them, and I just think they're so cute. So for the table runner in my living room, I'm at like my little coffee table, it is a red table runner, and in white it says Believe. So I feel like they're really gonna like accent each other. I think they're gonna look really nice. And yeah, I got 6 of them at $1 each, and they're like cotton. Yeah, 90% cotton, 5% other fibers. But I mean, look at how nice. I mean, I can't even make these, and they're like pretty thick. I mean, I don't know. I like them. So you can, and I have a table setting of 6, so I feel like they always come in 4 packs. So usually for like a placemat setting, I usually always spend about like 15 bucks. So for $6, I was like, Yes. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. And even if you didn't want to buy all of them, they have, you can even use these as like a table, like a centerpiece, and put whatever it is you make on in the middle for like your coffee table or your side tables or whatever. I don't know. I think they're really cute, and I think these are one of my best buys so far at the Dollar Tree this year. So yeah, I got 6 of those. As I was just telling you, I am aiming towards, like I said, very traditional colors, but I did want to incorporate some red and black like buffalo checker print, you know, and I had seen a couple DIYs on here, and I'm going to give them a whirl. So what I picked up was I got 3 of them, of these black and red scarves. They're fleece scarves, and what I'm thinking about doing with these is making throw pillows with them. I've seen it done. I'm going to try it. We'll see. But yeah, so I got 3 of them, $1 each. And even if, like, they're really cute. I don't know. I just think they're really, really cute too. So they are fleece, and yeah, so I'm thinking they'll look really cute. Maybe for like my entryway, or maybe on, I'm thinking like my entryway where we put our shoes, or, you know, maybe on the couch or something. I don't know. I got kind of some ideas. I have to pull up everything, but they didn't have, I think I bought all of them. They were running really low. So I was like, look, let me just pull them up. Let me grab them, and we'll see what we can do. But these are really nice. So if you guys are like, want some throw pillows and don't want to spend an arm and a leg, look out. If you guys want to see a DIY on any of the things I'm talking about, let me know down below so I know what to film for you guys, because I'll totally do that. But all right, so yeah, 3 of these bad boys. Now I have like this bag of goodies, and the first thing that I got was this fragrance sachet, and it is in the scent cinnamon sticks. Guys, it smells so good. Like my whole house smells like this right now, and I'm thinking of just leaving one of these in like my bathroom or in my kitchen, just so it would just be really fragrant, or in my hall closets or something, because I have a front hall closet right when you walk in the door. And for oh wait, it tells you bathrooms, vacuum bags, closets, gift baskets, autos, under seats, or trash cans. Oh, I can put these in my car. Yeah, it's making my nose itch. But yeah, so these, and look at the print, so cute. They are a 2-pack, and they smell fabulous. So when I was there, I came across these 2 little, like, this one I'm gonna have to glue because it's like loose. But these 2 little like glass jars, like candle, like votive holders, and I thought they were really cute. And I was like, you know what? Let me grab these, and I'm sure I can find something to do with them. And wait till I show you what I'm going to do. But I think they're really cute, and I really like the plaid ribbon. Like I said, I'm gonna probably hot glue this one again because it came loose. But how cute! So I did grab a lot of these little picks. So I found this one. I thought this was really cute. I figured I can do it with a centerpiece, or make another wreath. I got a couple different ideas, but I just picked them up because I knew I was going to use them. I got this one. Look at how pretty. This one is like really Christmassy, like winter wonderland theme. I thought that one. Look at the little white, and they're like glittery balls there. And they all have the pine cones on them. So I think they're really nice. And then here's another one of those with the little balls on there. And then I got one of these, and this is just like a clippy one, and it has like the little berries and stuff like that. So you can never not have too much of this. Like this could even stick around after Christmas, because I usually do like for just my winter decor, I do a lot of like pine cones. I went ahead and picked up some of these little white votive candles to go for that little thing, and you can never not have too many of these. So then they came out, remember last year I bought a bunch of those little lights, but look at these ones for this year. I don't know if you guys can see, but they look like legit little Christmas lights, and you just get yourself some like batteries and just throw them on. But look at, you could see on the top, they look like the old school ones that you would see on those old trees, and I love them. Like I said, I don't do like white lights or anything like that. I do all colored lights, so I thought it was really cute. So, and I'm really excited for these. So yeah, I got a couple packs of these. I just gotta find them. So I found these little mini bows. I don't know if I'm going to do them on these trees or if I'm gonna do it on the white ones, but I believe I got a 2-pack of these, and these are just little mini green and white bows to put on your tree. Thought these are really cute. My daughters all love having trees in their room. So if I wanted to put a little tree in there, I could always decorate it like this. If you guys have little ones, I thought these were really cute. And I did buy those last year. I had those whites, or the white trees, and then I found these little cute, look at these, and they're sparkly and they have like the fur lining. I think they're so cute, and I got those white trees last year, so I'm thinking that I'm gonna do these little tree skirts on the bottom. Oh, okay, so they have a bunch of these say yes to cucumbers, like these face masks at the Dollar Tree. And I've bought these before, but I bought mine at Target and they were like $3. So they had a bunch of them. This is the soothing one. This is the powder to clay mask. These will be an awesome stocking stuffer. These would be an awesome stocking stuffer for the teenagers in your life, for preteens, or just any woman like any woman in your life will love some good masks. And they have all different kinds. So if you want to run over there and grab yourself some. But these are a really, really good brand. And it says the mixing bowl and spoon is included. So yeah, I got a couple of those. Oh yeah, here are the rest of those lights. So I did get 4 packs of them. So, and then I found this cute little fingertip towel. I thought maybe for my kitchen, and it has a gingerbread cookie recipe. I thought, or maybe just hang it over my coffee bar or something like that. I really want to try to do my coffee bar this year. I've never really decorated my coffee bar, but I kind of want to like do it. This year we're also having a Winter Wonderland themed like birthday party for Becky and Sophie. So I really want to have the house really decorated and really festive when they have their little friends over. And we're going to do like pajamas and cookies and gingerbread houses and like this whole like winter festivity type thing for these little girls. So I thought this would be cute just to kind of add to it. Oh, when I was at the Dollar Tree and I was walking past, they have a bunch of these signs. I wish they didn't have this glitter. This glitter gets everywhere. But I thought it was really cute. It says home for the holidays, and it has the little red pickup truck. I love these pickup trucks. They remind me of my dad. My dad is a mechanic, and he always restores old pickup trucks and turns them into hot rods. And I don't know, it just reminds me of my dad. So I picked this up, and I was thinking of maybe like putting it on the inside of a wreath in my kitchen or something like that. I don't know. I got kind of a couple ideas, but I thought it was really cute. So I picked this one up. Okay, so here is all like the little ornaments and trinkets and stuff like that. Not so much do I think I'm going to put a lot of these on my actual Christmas tree, but I was thinking more or less for some like DIYs or something like that, or if the girls wanted to add more decorations to their trees in their room. So, or I can just give them to my mom or whatever. But I said another pack of these little mini bows. I found these this year, and if you guys remember a few years ago when I did a home tour, I actually had to like spray paint mine, but this year they do have the pine cones, and these ones are the silver ones for like a filler, for like maybe a vase or a centerpiece or something like that. I did get 2 packs, thought they were really pretty, so you can't beat that for $1. And then again with the red pickup truck theme, I bought 2 of these because I'm gonna give one to my dad, but it has the little Merry Christmas and has a little tree on the back. I don't know, I just thought they're really cute, but I think one of them's for my dad, and I think this one I would like to do like a wreath or something like that. I don't know, we'll see. A lot of plans. And then they came out with like these wooden ornaments this year, and they're so nice, such great quality, and they are very, very rustic. And I just like that, like a primitive Christmas, if you guys are kind of into that primitive look. But these are 2 of them I found. These have like the little bells on them, and they are like a wooden, let me see if I can show you, thing. So I don't know, I thought they were pretty nice, and they got some weight to them, and very primitive, very, very like rustic country. I thought they were really nice. I got that one, and then they did have a Christmas tree one too that I got. I did get a couple of these burlap snowflakes. Not too sure. I'd seen a couple DIYs where people included them in them, so I might do it. I don't know. Like I said, they won't go to waste though. But here is, I got 2 of each, the maroon and the beige. I did pick up this really pretty Believe. That's like one of my favorite things about Christmas is the whole Believe thing. So I just feel like you're never too old to believe in a little magic, you know? So my house, we firmly believe. So I got that. And then they have these like for me, I don't know what kind of material, but This one, little Santa Claus, and then this one it says Merry Christmas. So these two here. But I did see somebody take these off and use them as decoration, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I seen them and it's kind of like you gotta grab them when you have a chance. So the next three things I'm going to show you are from the thrift store. I lucked out one day. My mom was actually in there looking around for something, and I was there and I was like, oh my God, I need to grab these. So the first thing I got was this, it's brand new sign, and it says Home Sweet Home on there, and it's gray, and then this home part is like aluminum. I thought that was really nice. And it's like either you can hang it on the wall or it comes with a little picture stand. So I picked that up. Okay, so these two things you're gonna like die. Watch. So I was, like I said, I was walking through and I seen these and I grabbed them. These remind me of that super popular, those like candlelight things. Even Leo called it out, the magnolia thing at Target. He was like, that looks like that stuff from there. And I was like, yeah, it does. So I got these two candle holders. They're like this. I figure I can put them on my table as centerpieces. They were $2.97 each, so I paid $6 for both of them, and they are really nice. So what I'm thinking is to put these little Christmas things in them, and I was thinking of maybe just adding like a little bow on top or something like that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think that looks nice? I mean, do you think this is like a good deal? I don't know. I could always just get like the white candle to go in the inside, but I thought that these would just kind of tie everything in together. I don't know. I was really excited for them, and I figure even when I'm done, I can just use them and just put regular candles in them. I could even spray paint them, but I don't know. What do you guys think? You think I should spray paint it white or just leave it kind of this like metalish color? It's a coppery color. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I leave it? I don't know. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. But would you guys have picked this up? You know how like you get stuff and you're like, oh my God, it's so great. And then you're like, I mean, is it only great to me, or do you think other people are gonna think it's great? It's like the thrift store is that way. Like people will get it like a great deal, and you'll be like, my mom will get something and I'm like, oh, that's great. Is that like even good? Because when I got these, she's like, I don't even know what those are, you know, because she doesn't really into that. So I don't know. But yeah, I got two of these bad boys. Alright, my friends, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Let me know what you think. Are you guys, you know, doing big shopping trips for the decor this year? Are you guys kind of keeping it minimal? Where are your favorite places to shop? I really think I'm only going to probably run into Hobby Lobby just for some ribbon, just to incorporate it into my tree, but I really think that's it. I am going to do like an overall like house tour for Christmas, probably because I do decorate every room. I'm probably going to split it up to a couple different parts, because if I did the whole house, even though it's small, it would take me a minute. So I'm probably going to do like the living room and then the kitchen and the bathroom, and then I'll probably do a once over of our bedrooms. So if you guys like that idea, give this video a thumbs up. If you're excited for Christmas, give it a thumbs up. If you're just here to see what I bought, give it a thumbs up because you like to be nosy, because I'm like that. But alright, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I will see you on the next one. Alright, bye guys.
It's December again.